Hey, just wanna talk about how 2026 feels weird. It feels strange. Like, I don't know how others feel, but I just wanna say my own opinion, right? I don't know what happened. I can see a very drastic change, a very strange uh, shift happening. I don't know where it's shifting. I know it's just shifting. Like, nothing really feels real anymore. Like when we used to be kids, we used to imagine life works in a very like in a algorithmic way, right? Like, okay, now it's school, then it's gonna be college, and then it's gonna be job, and then we're gonna get married, and then like this step by step process, right? Like, we used to imagine like building our houses near our best friends, and chilling together and shit like that, right? But I don't know, things have shifted, things are changing so fast that it feels so hard, it feels so difficult to catch up to it, when it comes to job and everything. The job, I come from a IT background, right? And I come from a IT background, and there's not even a single day where I didn't think I'm not gonna lay off, like it's like a survival mode. Like, it always feels like I'm surviving every single day, always thinking, did I upset somebody? Did I upset any manager? Did I upset? There's no stability, the jobs that we used to imagine as children were so stable, and now there's no stability. Nobody knows when someone is going to be fired, and how can you even feel stable when thousands upon thousands of people are getting laid off every day from company for no reason. Even now, work feels so different. As a IT guy, as a software dev, all I do is I just talk to AI every day. It doesn't feel like I'm growing. It doesn't feel like I'm learning something new every day. It just feels I'm just talking to AI. I'm just training this LLM AI from of the billion-dollar companies. I just feel like AI is the one learning from people like us. They're just training from our data. We're not learning anything. And I do imagine that someday, after all this, they're gonna release AGI or something, and it's all gonna go. It really feels like the experience doesn't matter nowadays in IT sector, because experience is knowledge, right? And LLM has like 99% of the knowledge out there. You ask it any question, it doesn't fail. Obviously, there will be some bugs and shit like that, but like they are improving upon it, right? It's just been few years after AI is launched, and yeah, we used to laugh at it, you know. We used to laugh at it, because it wasn't even able to like do simple questions, you know, simple programming logical questions when it was launched, and we used to laugh at it. But even in those days, I knew it was going, I knew it was becoming stronger and stronger every year, and we were all just was, you know, smiling and laughing it off. And now I don't feel like I'm learning anything anymore. I don't feel like my skills are even valuable to my company. They can literally replace me with some junior dev any day, and the junior dev is going to do my job. All he has to have is a little bit of logic, and nobody is going to be honest, you know, in IT industry, because they want to keep their roles, they want to keep their job, and why would they say it? You know,